What's up guys, Sal here. So, a Vietnamese website called Net News got its hands on an image of an alleged Galaxy S9 retail box which reveals some of the specs of the upcoming smartphone. There are a couple of reasons why I think it's fake, but before that, let's go through the specs mentioned on the box. The box says f1.5 and f2.4, meaning Samsung will implement a variable aperture like the one in its Samsung W2018 phone, as you can see here. The box also mentions super slow-mo, which is in line with rumors that the S9 could capture videos at 1000 frames per second. Other specs revealed include a 5.8-inch display with Quad HD Plus resolution, an 8-megapixel selfie snapper, and an iris scanner. Another nice feature that should have come earlier is stereo speakers. Now, proper stereo speakers are unlikely, given the S9 and S9 Plus will have even slimmer bezels than the S8. What we are more likely to get is the earpiece acting as the second one. It will come with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. It should also be IP68 rated for protection against water and dust and support wireless charging. That said, these specs go perfectly in line with all of the rumors that we've been keep hearing for the past few months. Although I'm happy seeing the specs like super slow motion camera, variable aperture lens and stereo speakers, I still have a couple of reasons why I think it's fake. The first reason is this secured by Knox. Samsung has officially discontinued the service in December 2017, so there's no way they'll use it for 2018 devices. I know because I have received an email from Samsung saying I should download all the data before March, otherwise it will be deleted. So there's that. Second is this super slow-mo. There's no way Samsung would just write super slow-mo without mentioning the FPS data. And what about this super speed dual pixel? I've heard about high speed cameras, but super speed? Makes no sense. Having said that, it's also possible that I could be completely wrong here because the box looks very legit and it looks like it's directly coming out of the production line. Anyways, let me know what you think. Do you think it's real or a cleverly staged fake one? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.